In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic collapsible section in WIX Studio. By the end, you'll know how to add an accordion, fill it with your own content, style it to match your brand, optionally add animations, and then preview it to make sure everything works smoothly. Start by opening the page in your WIX Studio site where you want the collapsible section to live. From the left sidebar, click Add, then Elements, and open Layout Tools. Look for accordions, sometimes labeled as collapsible sections. Browse the layouts and pick the one that best fits your content, whether you need a simple FAQ style or a more visual option. Drag and drop your chosen layout onto the page and place it where you want it to appear in your design. If you're planning a mobile-first experience, keep spacing in mind so the accordion feels comfortable on smaller screens. Now let's edit the content inside. Click the collapsible section and select the first item, often called Overview. Click Edit Text and replace the placeholder copy with your own description. Keep your paragraphs clear and scannable so visitors can skim quickly. If you want to rename the section title, change the text from something like Overview to Features or Pricing. To update the icon or image, click directly on the image or icon area and replace it with your own asset or a vector. Aim for consistent icon style and size so the list feels cohesive. Move on to the next accordion item and update its text to match your content. For example, performance. Continue through each remaining section, revising titles and descriptions as needed. Try to keep headings short and descriptive, and make sure the order flows logically for your audience. With your content in place, it's time to style. Select the accordion to open the inspector panel on the right. Adjust the background color or fill to suit your theme, such as a light gray with a touch of transparency. Set fonts, weights, and sizes to match your site's typography, and tune spacing, padding, and borders so each item feels balanced and readable. Pay attention to contrast to keep text accessible. If you want to add subtle motion, open the animation section in the inspector. Choose an effect like appear on scroll or a gentle hover, then refine the duration and easing so it feels smooth and not distracting. Preview your work using the preview button in the top right. Click through each item to confirm it expands and collapses correctly. Test on different breakpoints to ensure it looks great on mobile and desktop. That's how you create a basic collapsible section in WIX Studio. By adding an accordion from layout tools, editing the text and icons, and styling the design, you can add clean, interactive FAQ style sections to any page. Thanks for watching.